Nairobi, guys, you can see the view. Now we are on site. We are trying to view the lighting is installed and the design itself before we do the power testing. The sink, you can be able to see my guys busy at the shower cubicle area. My walling guys are really looking at it so that they can give it the best. The intercom is intact already, yeah, and the lighting already they are confirming is good. You can see how it looks like, guys. We give it the best. The sink itself, nice finishes on the wall as well. The design for the wainscoting there, guys. The shower heads, the plumbing works is good, guys. The walls on the tiles are also looking nice. This is furniture, guys, and we give it the best. Look at the finish, look at the floor trap. Now here we are doing the wainscoting measurements, guys. We want to give it the best. The cubicle or the cabinets in kitchen, the door locks intact, yeah. Look at that mini wardrobe, guys. It's so nice. The door stopper intact, yeah. We are the best, guys. Look at that sink. Look at the sink itself. Look at the tap itself. Hello, guys. My name is Fred Lavet, and today we are in Kilimani, Nairobi. Do you know what? We've just finished doing the interior finishes of this particular Airbnb behind me. We've done the tiling work, we've done the ceilings, we've done the lighting, we've done the TV stand, we've done the cabinets, and even a small kitchen for this particular Airbnb. So I don't want to talk too much, but remember to turn on your notification bell and tell a friend to tell a friend. Furniture Kenya Limited is the best company when it comes to interior finishes and exterior finishes. Come with me, I show you how we are getting into this Airbnb. So guys, this is the real home we've done here in Kilimani. We have done several work here in Nairobi, but this one is exceptional. That the client who is in diaspora decided that he can be able to do with Furniture Kenya Limited. Because why? We are actually the best. We are all over social media. Furniture Kenya Limited. We are on YouTube. Furniture Kenya Limited. We are on Twitter. Furniture Kenya Limited. Not forgetting Instagram. Furniture Kenya Limited. That's why this client from diaspora decided to go online to look for a company that can be able to accomplish such particular finishes. And here we are. First of all, guys, have your attention at our wall finishes. Look at our wall finishes, guys. We managed to design everything into detail, guys, as you can be able to see, putting in a nice wainscoting. And remember, guys, the finishing on the wall. The finishing on the wall is something you need to know the person to do for you such finishes. Because when we put our wainscoting, we decided first of all to do the finishing to be like of high standard, and that's why you can be able to see the designs coming along with the wall like this. Look at the wall. Look at the wall. Look at the design here, guys. This is a nice design we came up with for this particular client. The walling finishes, the sockets on the wall, they are very, very, very nice. The finishing on the wall, guys, is very important for your house. Don't just look for a painter, look for an expert who can be able to do for you such particular finishes. As in, we don't overcharge our clients. We give our clients the best rates so that they can enjoy these particular finishes in Nairobi. So, guys, have your attention at our ceiling again. Look at our ceiling. One thing with ceilings, guys, is because when you are putting up a ceiling, you need to do something that the client will not regret putting in. When you do gypsum, you don't just put a lot of design. Put simple finishes that will enable you to save such finishes for the next 100 years. Like for instance, our ceiling, have a look at it. The chandelier itself gives you enough lighting for this particular living room area. This is a one bedroom Airbnb. And that's why you can see we have enough special living room that is coming along like this. Come along with me, guys. I show you something here that I know you might be able to ask why. We designed here so well so that we can accommodate the area for KPLC Whenever we have a power shortage or something, you just come here and you engage it, you are done. For the lightings, for the sockets, and even kitchen, all over, you just come here. Here underneath, we put these double cabinets. The double cabinets are so nice, guys, that leads you to our open door kitchen where you don't have a door as per the developer decide. This developer decided that here we will not have a door. So come with me, guys. I show you our smaller kitchen that is also up to standard in Nairobi, Kenya, in Kilimani, sorry. So have a look, guys. This is the kitchen hood. You just put it on like this. Put it on like this. You see, guys, this is a hood that even you can hear how it's functioning. It's a very nice thing that will make you, when you are doing some cooking here, everything does not come out, the vapor and everything is absorbed inside. So when you are looking for a contractor, you are looking for somebody who can be able to do for you such particular finishes, guys, we are the best. We will give you a nice hood like this one. We will give you a nice cooker, inbuilt cooker like this one. Also, you can access your things. Remember, this is an Airbnb, so we give it the best, as small as it can be. Just have a look at the sink itself with enough water, guys. Yeah, the aluminium window, guys, we haven't forgotten, also gives you enough spacious place to be able to do your things around here. The granite itself, the thickness of the granite, guys, this is a 40mm granite. So guys, when you're looking for somebody to do for you granite, depending on the size, look at the thickness. This is a 40mm granite. So fittings are well done. There's the drawers, guys. Have a look at the drawers. Everything is intact here. So guys, even the lighting itself, I told you earlier, we put smaller lighting because we have sufficient light from the aluminum window outside. So guys, let's go back to this other side. So take your attention, guys, to our living room TV stand. This is a modern TV stand, guys, and we've done it from scratch as well. Have a look at it, guys. This is a well marble finishing walling that you can be able to see the way it is like this. We like it the way it is, guys. Underneath, we managed to do the drawers, guys. It is so nice, so good. So when we are doing such particular finishes, we ensure that even the float panels behind the TV stand, guys, done by Fanitech Kenya Limited, as per the client choice. In everything we do, guys, we give the client actually what the client wants. So remember, guys, as when we are here in Kilimani, our client was looking for something that can make the living room look fresh. Look at living room that one will like to come back when he has enjoyed the service for this particular Airbnb. And this is it. It's simple and classy. Look at the tiling work, guys. The tiling work is up to standard. The finishing, the type of the tile, it's also very quality. When you're putting in your tiles, you need to do several things so that you can be able to ensure that your tiling is so nice. You need to have grouting. You need to do good screed work that will enable the floor to be strong so that when you're walking on the tiles, you don't have pop sound. Look at the finishes, guys. Some people don't know when the tiling has been done. You need immediate. They are very simple and good looking. Look at our downlights. The downlights is simple and classy, going hand in hand with the living room itself. As you go around like this, you'll be able to see it is so nice that the client himself has already given it a tick. Look at where we've hidden our curtain rods. Curtain rods are inside the gypsum ceiling, so that once you put on your curtains, they just come down like this, but you'll not be able to see the curtain rods. I want you to take your attention to our aluminium sliding doors. Have attention at this aluminum sliding. These are gray in nature, guys. They are very nice, simple, and elegant. Look at it. So, guys, take your attention to this particular type of aluminum. You know, we have several types. We have quality, and we have medium, and we have even aluminum that you can buy on a very good price, but now the quality matters. Look at this type of aluminum. This is gray. It's special aluminum. So if you want us to give you such particular finishes of this aluminum, you can also come into our inbox. This is the aluminum door that was leading towards the balcony. You can have a look at it, guys, the way it is functioning. Look at it. The whole opening here have been designed for aluminum only. The floor tile, guys, was 60 by 300, guys. Look at it. At this particular level, we have very, very, very nice tile work at this balcony. And this balcony, guys, we did like this and we close it all over. Look at how we close this particular balcony. We have closed this particular balcony all over like this so that we create more spacious space here for you or for the guys who will be coming in this particular Airbnb. They can be able to enjoy themselves here as they breeze. Unaona? Wakiangalia venye Nairobi inakaa. So you can just come here, relax, kula vitu yako polepole ukiangalia venye Kilimani kunakaa. So remember, guys, this is an Airbnb in Kilimani. I'll be able to leave my contacts so that you'll be our first customer for this client of ours who is in diaspora. So let me take you back inside. Now we are going to the bedroom. The bedroom, guys, are not getting into the bedroom. First of all, we get into the washroom. So, guys, we have a small bathroom here for this particular Airbnb, but the bathroom is explicit. It's so nice, efficient. With everything here has already been set. Me, I'm one person that love good toilet. You can have a look at this one. Very nice. The functionality is up to standard. When I open it like this and I flush my water, the pressure of the water tells you this is a nice toilet. Look at the sink. The sink also is very nice with stainless stuff. As you can be able to see, the pressure of the water is up to standard. Also, we have very nice mirror over here. Once you wash your hands, you can be able to see yourself inside. Venye mimi najiangalia nikiwa katika hii camera. So, guys, we are actually here to give you good things. Look at our frameless glass shower cubicle. This is our frameless glass shower cubicle. I've been telling you the difference between shower cubicles. Normally, we can have black or stainless steel accessories that are holding this shower cubicle. For this case, we've managed to put the black ones. So this is a straight shower cubicle with one door like this, guys. See the way it's functioning? Just like that. Very simple, na haiharibiki. Here we have a nice header here for the shower. You can be able to enjoy yourself whatsoever with hot water as well. So, guys, as we go to another area, let me take you now to the bedroom. From the bathroom, as I walk into this particular bedroom for this Airbnb, take your attention to the tile work. Laminated floor tile work. The finishing of this particular Airbnb of this bedroom here is also very nice. When you are doing finishes for a particular house, especially the floor, make sure you do fit it so well, like our joints. Look at our joints. Our joints are so nice, guys. You can never regret working with us because we give it the best. We will never disappoint you. We give the clients whatever they want at a very good price, at a very good rate. So if you need such finishes, you come to us. In the bedroom as well, we gave our client a small area for the TV, which is actually what she wanted or what they wanted. It is a very nice finishing with underneath cabinet as well. The finishing of the sockets is also up to standard. Look at it, guys. We're actually the best in Kenya, and we give the client whatever the client wants. Take your attention also to the wardrobe. Guys, very nice. The finishing up to standard. Come closer, guys. I'll show you something when you're doing these particular finishes for the wardrobe, for the kitchen, everywhere. You need to look at this to know if your client or your contractor is doing a good job. You need to look at the finishes in between the MDF and the lipping itself. So ours, we don't have any chipping on the side. That's why we are Fanitech. And on the headboard, guys, we also managed to put our flute panels. And take your attention to the nice lighting we put for our client under the headboard. So this is how it functions, guys. It is white in nature, but when it is on, that's how it comes out. And the lighting itself is so nice, so cool. The panel itself is easy to clean. waterproofing. They cannot whatsoever get molds when they get water. It's a waterproofing float panels. So guys, here we are, and we give it the best. Not forgetting the grill. You know, this apartment was done in a way that there are no grills whatsoever in all the blocks we have seen here. But we managed to put for the client a very nice finishing for this particular window to give it security for the people who will be enjoying the services in this room. So guys, we are the best. Look at the ceiling as well. Look at the ceiling in this particular B&B. So nice, so cool. Look at how the lighting is functioning so well, guys. We give it actually the best. The reason why I say we give it the best, you just have to look at it. You realize that Fanitech is the best company when it comes to interior finishes and exterior finishes. And so we put in our curtain rod inside the gypsum ceiling. Guys, don't go into this thing whereby the curtain rods are just displayed on top of the ceiling. It should be hidden somewhere whereby they cannot be able to be seen. For you to give your bedroom a nice look, for you to give your living room a nice look, you need to have a designer for your curtains, and we are here for you. Remember guys, actually as I live in this area of Kilimani, we are actually the best. We are the leading exterior and interior finishes company in Kenya. All over Kenya, we do exceptional finishes, and we work everywhere. When we give our clients whatever they want, the clients normally we get a lot of referrals. Take your attention to our mirror here. This mirror is going to be functional in this smaller bedroom here. You just come and stand here, and unajiona venye uko kila kitu iko sawa from top to bottom. You are completely seen. On it, you also done the float panels. The float panels are so good, so they are holding this particular mirror. So this is a glass mirror that we managed to do to our clients so that the people who are using the bedroom, they can be able to access here whenever they are coming from the bedroom. The design is simple but elegant. For this particular finishes here, I leave it here today. And remember to follow us, remember to subscribe, remember to tell a friend that Fanitech Kenya Limited is the best company when it comes to interior finishes and exterior finishes. So we are here for you. Remember to tell a friend, Fanitech Kenya Limited is the best company when it comes to interior finishes and exterior finishes. We actually give it the best. We no longer have to worry with us, wherever you are watching us from. We have so much projects for our client in the diaspora, and we appreciate so much for you coming through, giving us this particular works. And you know, guys, we are there for you. After this episode, guys, remember we are coming up with part 2 of the finishes, how we are going to furnish this one bedroom. So remember, when we furnish this thing for a client who is in diaspora, the B&B, we leave our contacts down there for you to come and enjoy this service. And the rest will be minimal. We won't charge you as much price, but it's going to be minimal. So the first 10 people to come and enjoy the service, they're going to get a big discount. So watch out for the second episode coming up for the furnishing of this one bedroom Airbnb in Kilimani. And remember to watch this video up to the end. Bye and see you in my next video. Cheers.